guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm actually going somewhere to kind of like donate some stuff that I don't need, and I'm right here in Dubai, close to my neighborhood. It's a good thing, we all have in religious bodies, Christianity, Buddhism, whatever it is that you have in your country. But as a matter of fact, this is touching for me because I have come to realize this since the day I came here, that you find in the mosques, they provide places where you can actually donate to charity. When you go to the groceries, find people going to those places to drop a thing or two. And today I am here also trying to do the same. People drop in their little change, some drop even big amounts of money, whatever. You can find even the biggest denominations in those boxes, as it's not allowed for begging here in the UAE. So on my way going now, I'm close to the box where they actually donate, and I'll be pleased to show you some of the things that you will find here. You find people, the boxes are even full, and people are still dropping by the box, so you can actually see. If you lack anything from books to clothing, you can come here and donate. In the same way, I feel like I should come and donate, and that's why I'm here also to give my little that I have. These are things I don't need, and they can range from anything. So in front of me, you will see one of the boxes, and tell me how you do your own charity. I wish I had a way that I could actually send these things back home to Africa so that people will benefit from them. But I've seen that this country does a lot of charity back home in Africa, and it's possible that some of the things we push in here still get back to the people that we intend them to go to. Whatever you give goes around and comes back around. So even if I'm giving and it's not going to Africa, it's certainly going somewhere, and there's somebody somewhere that is doing a donation somewhere that actually ends up in Africa. How do you contribute to the general well-being of mankind as a whole? Charity is very, very important, and in our little ways we have so much of excesses that we don't put into use. And since we don't put them into use, how well can we use them to help other people who are really in need? I took some things to share out, but eventually I'll be going back to add a little more, because there's so much that I don't use immediately, and maybe in the nearby future I might not even use. So I'll definitely go back and try to get more things that I can add up to the little that I have brought over today. So actually for charity, and people come in here to donate. You can see some bags here, paper bags here. People have brought so many things, and possible that these things cannot go into the box, so they decided to keep them outside. Yes, you can see here there are clothes. People have donated so many clothes so that these people can put here. They say put clothes here. You can see it here. Do not put valuables. Please do not put valuables. Yeah, but this is what is allowed here: clothes, bags, and shoes. You can see good means those are the things you can put. Don't put books, don't put firewoods, and so on and so forth. But these are the things that you can put. And you can see these clothes are given to Haytan in UAE at gmail.com. This is what they have for Islamic Affairs and Charitable Department. So for suggestions and any questions, you can see here. This is what you can do. So it's not allowed to beg on the streets, but you can see these are clothes here. These are 4 bags plus mine today, which is going to be this is my own bag, which is going to be the 5th bag you find here. So eventually, if you don't have clothes to wear, you can go to one of these boxes. They're outside here. If you have anything you need, you can pick from here and also use it as a person. Man, this goes a long way to touch my heart. You can see it. It's not like I'm just talking about it. You can see here, these are clothes that somebody has brought. You can see also here inside the boxes, in every bag, you find things that people have brought in here to give. You can see here also, these are clothes inside that somebody has brought in here to donate. You can see it here. Those are clothes somebody has brought in to donate. So the same thing, all the bags are carrying the same thing. So there are so many of us have so many things, and if you want to drop in here, you just open. Guys, you can see it's filled it's filled. These are clothes. And it's filled. So it's too full that it doesn't even open completely. Okay, I've been able to push. Yeah, so you can see these are clothes all filled in here, donated by different people, and you close it. So you can't tell me that you lack what to wear. The same thing you see on the other side. So if this is full, maybe eventually this one is empty, and I could just help by packing those things and putting them in here. Yeah, this one seems empty, so I could just help by packing those things and transferring them into this one. Yeah, so we don't litter the place. Also keep it neat. See, it's the same thing here. Yeah, so I'll just put this like this. Man. Yeah, so that one has gone eventually. So also mine has also gone. Yeah, so I'll be shifting the decks. You can see them here. Yeah, you can see 2 bags are gone. So eventually I'll also help to clear out this place so that the place is not littered. Yeah. So how do you do charity in your own place? How do you put your own things for donation? So you can see I'm by the box. Yeah. And these things will go a long way. You don't even know where they end up. Some will end up here, some will end up outside of here. Yeah. But at least some people are having a life out of these things that are being donated. So how do you do your charity in your own place? So this is the video I just decided to do for you today, this morning. Today is the 23rd of January actually, and I'll be relocating to a new house maybe. I don't know, but it's what it is. And once you're moving or clearing your space, is a new year. Eventually there are some things that you don't really need. You need to let go of them. There's so many things I've put here that I'm emotionally tied to. Some of them are gifts from my friends, some from family, but I can't keep holding on to them. I have to let go, because if I want new things in my life, I have to let go of the things that are out of my past. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you do something to someone. Go to your wardrobe, or go to your wardrobe, or go to your collections, whatever it is. Pick a thing or two that you know that you don't really need as at this moment, and do a piece of charity for someone. You never know how it will get back to you. It will definitely return to you, but you don't know how or when, but surely it will. So just be nice and be kind to other people, because eventually it pays. Even though Dubai can be very, very hot, right now it's still winter. Actually it's January. You can see me, I'm still wearing my Christmas hat, and yeah, I folded it. It's really long. And the fact is that apart from just going to do the charity I did, you can see here I'm right outside. It's in my neighborhood, and right here I'm about to get drinking water, and it will amaze you that this drinking water that I'm getting, it's very cold and has been tapped out of the main house. I'm not in the house. I don't know who owns the house, but they have actually put a refrigerator on the other side, so that when you are here on the outside, you can actually get very cool water. And I mean very cool water all year round. Whether it's summer, whether it's winter, you get ice cold water. And this water is free of charge for anybody, because this is the desert and sometimes get really, really hot, and you find people walking around in the streets. Some people are driving and they're very thirsty. You might not find groceries close by. So these people have decided to make this for us to get cold water. For me, I save a lot of money. Instead of buying water, I actually come here to get water because it's much cheaper for me, and it saves me a lot. And I also get water for my drinking and cooking because here it's salty water directly from the tap. Even though it's treated, it's not as tasty as you would imagine. But here I can get really cool water for free, as much as I want. And yeah, you could be thirsty and they say, "He who gives water gives life." That's the same in Africa. I don't know if you in your country. So like today I was talking about charity. So this is what you find. You can actually find some people put a refrigerator outside their house, fully connected to electricity, and they go ahead to put bottled water inside of it. They have a video about that. And these are some of the things that you hardly find people do, where people need this kind of sacrifices, sacrifice on electricity to run this refrigerator inside 24 hours, and the sacrifice to give somebody water to drink, even though it's a stranger. So what form of charity do you do? I always preach that one should be at least helpful in one way or the other. No matter what you have, no matter who you are, there's something you can do that can uplift another soul, and when you do charity, you improve the society. I decided to ride my neighborhood to show you a few of those places you can actually get water for free. Yep. So this is my street. Yep. And you can see that there is one here. So you can see that there is one here. Yes. They even put it a shade and even something that will keep the heat away. So you see, here you have fresh water. You can see it, fresh water, really, really cold. In fact, it's too cold, they put it off. It has a filter to filter this water. And this is not only one, this is one of so many around the street. This is now tiled. It's a refrigerator, you can see it. You can see where electricity comes from. And yeah, some you will even have them leave you cups that you can actually use, some disposable cups. So this is one. So as we go, yep, I'll take you to another. So what kind of charity did I ask earlier? What kind of charity do you do? This is just a few meters from that one. I'm taking you to another. Yep. So this is another one. Yep, you can see it here. It even has a cup, that is tied to it here. Even though most people don't use the cup most times, but you can get water, and there is always water. Ice cold water. You can't even put it. You will freeze. Like you will freeze. It's ice cold. 24 hours running with electricity. So this is one here. Across the street, right there, you can see another one. Right there. Behind the car, you can see another one outside. So this is what you get everywhere around here. Just to make sure that people have access to clean drinking water and cold water all the time around the neighborhood. So guys, like I said, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. But what is it that you do in your little city that helps to supplement what people do? So I want to go somewhere to check. I'd like to do a vlog in a place this morning. So I'm going to go ask for permission, and then I can come properly and do my vlog, because it's close to the house. It's a historic place. This is called Majlis Ghorfat. It's the Majlis where the king of Dubai used to hang out after fishing when Dubai was still a fishing village. It's a very, very good location to do a video. Yeah, it was changed from a Majlis into a police station in the past, and now it's a tourist attraction. You can see another one here. So now it's a tourist attraction. This is the gate, and this is the Majlis. I don't know, I'm going my bike just to take permission, and eventually I'll come and make the video proper. But let me take permission. First, you can see it's now a tourist attraction. You have burger fries. There's so many things happening here. Time to tell a story. You can see here. So I'll be coming back, make this vlog here. Then if you're not subscribed to this channel, eventually you'll miss this video. But if you are subscribed, make sure you hit the notification bell, because I'm going to be telling a story about this place and how these people have been able to conserve their history, and today we use it as places where we visit to have fun and also to have memories with things that have happened here in the UAE. Yes, so I need to save this for my thumbnail. On this note, I'd like to say goodbye, and until I see you in my next video, I remain Harry Tigan Sajingina for Experience Africans. Thank you.